Well, we just had a large air raid siren, so I went up on the roof, and as you can see, there's no traffic going on at all. And we have police out in the intersections on all the corners. And those are the guys with the bright yellow vests. And no one's able to drive right now. So everybody's standing out on the corners and being bored, nothing to do, drinking tea and waiting for I guess they'll do another siren and then we can get back to business. I wanted to go somewhere, but I can't because of this. So the whole city is silent. It's very strange. Nobody's doing anything. There's some students over at the school. Probably you can't see them, but anyway, I'll turn the camera back on if the siren goes off. As you can hear, we have an air raid siren going on, and not sure what's really going on right now. I went on Facebook and a couple people said they also heard it. Of course, everybody in the city can hear it. Yeah, I know, it's an air raid siren, so it's a test like for an attack from the air. I guess they're probably just testing, make sure the siren works and doing a drill, just like you do a fire drill in high school. But the thing is, usually there's going to be a fire drill. I don't know what's going on right now, so it makes you a little nervous. Sounds like it's winding down. That must be the end of the drill. It was different than before. Usually it goes up and down, but that time it just stayed at the high pitch for the whole time and then just went down. So I think that signals the end. I'll go up on the roof and see if traffic's going again. Yep. So everything's back to normal and the traffic's going along. Everyone's driving their scooters and all the police have cleared out. So looks like everything's back to normal. Let's see if I can walk over here. Yep, you can see down the long road there. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Kind of crazy a minute ago. Alright, that's all from me. So now you know what a fire drill is like. I mean, not a fire drill, a air raid signal, fire drill, whatever drill, air raid drill, air drill, I don't know. Black & Decker? Okay, talk to you guys later. Oh, crazy. There's one of the police.